This here is yogurt preservative. Now, with this particular preservative, you can actually keep it outside the fridge for a period of 2 months. There is nothing as good as knowledge investments. Okay, this is me now officially announcing my course that is now available online. So I have that course available online. You can buy it online on Sellar. Check the pinned comment on this particular video. I'll drop the link to the course online, and also check in the description box. You'll find the link to this course online. Now, when you buy this course on Sellar, I didn't just teach yogurt preservation. I taught everything that has to do with yogurt business. Now, this is available for sale. I can mix this and sell to you in 150 ml bottle, just like this. Okay, if you want more than one, you can buy more than one. Okay, so just in case you already know how to use this preservative and you don't really want to go through the stress of mixing it, or you don't want to buy it, like buy the raw material, you just want something that's already mixed, so that you can just add into your yogurt. You can buy it from me. Okay, I can mix as much as you want and then sell to you. We're officially done with our group training. Now, to those of you that have been asking when next there'll be another group training, if you can still pay for the group training, I won't be hosting another group training, but my course is now available online. So this is me officially announcing my course on Sellar. I'm going to leave a link in the description box, and also you see a pinned comment. You can actually buy that particular course. You can actually buy my course on Sellar, and you have access to everything that was taught in the group training. Now, like I said on the post that I made a few days ago, you paid for one video and I give you 8 video. To those people who were part of the group training, they can attest to it. You actually paid for yogurt preservation class, but I went beyond yogurt preservation. Okay, so that people who don't even have an idea on how to make yogurt but want to start a business or want to do it for home use, they can actually buy my course and then learn everything about it. Now, in this course, the one you'll be buying on Sellar, you have how to make your yogurt. You also have how to make Greek yogurt, like how to make regular yogurt, how to make Greek yogurt, how to add flavors in the right quantity, how to do your proper costing, how to add color to your yogurt if you want different flavors, how to do your Greek yogurt, the tricks, because it's not just about making yogurt and straining. There are tricks to having a good Greek yogurt. How to stop fermentation, how to a lot of things, and most importantly, how to preserve your yogurt. Now, when it comes to the preservation class, I thought about, like, we did the theory part of it and we also did the practical part of it. Okay, so we have all of these embedded in one class. So when you buy this particular course, you're getting 8 videos. It is now available on Sellar, and you can actually pay in your own currency to buy this course. That's one advantage. So even if your currency is USD, you're using CDs, whatever it is, you can actually just click the link you're seeing down there, and then you it will link you to Sellar. You can just buy the course in your own currency and you have access to 8 amazing videos. Once you're done, you can always come to me for questioning, guidance, and all of that. Okay, so I won't be having another group training, but you can actually buy my course on Sellar. The link is right there in the description box. I'll see you in my next video.